welcome to my channel. Yes, I want to teach you how to cook potato. The best thing that will happen to you is know how to cook any kind of food. Stay tuned and watch this video to the end to understand how to cook potato. Very, very important. It's only people that watch this video to the end will understand the perfect way to cook potato. Don't watch shortcuts and leave the video. In case if this is your first time to see my channel, this channel is all about how to cook any kind of African food. Trust me, you will like it. Yes, first of all, we take the ingredients which you need in making this porridge potato that is very yummy. It's recommendable, it's nice, it's healthy. Alright, first of all, buy your potato. You can buy potato of 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, depend where you are. Alright, yes, no amount of potato that you buy that is small. Note, no amount of potato that you buy that is small. Yes, and some people think that you need plenty money to make healthy food and to make food that is rich. Right now, first of all, as you buy your potato, I will tell you the ingredients I use in making this particular recipe. I use fresh tomatoes. All right, I use fresh tomatoes. Any quantity you can be able to afford is nice. I use red oil. Any quantity you can be able to afford based on, but if you are buying, buy based on the quantity of potato you want to prepare. I use ginger powder, I use garlic, I use seasoning cube, I use onions. Okay, yes, I use crayfish. Don't forget, I use crayfish, and I use curry powder. You can also do well, that is optional, and I use scent leaf. Now, how will you combine all these things to get that perfect taste of recipe you want? And remember, the ingredients you use in making your food does not matter. What matters is how do you apply the ingredients? How did you apply the ingredients? Somebody might use all the ingredients in the market and make a food, but the person that uses lesser quantity and quality of ingredients, food will come out well more than the person that spends much money. Your food is tasty. It's not because you spend much money. It's how did you apply those spices, quantity, time you put it, and how you put it. Very, very important. Please don't forget. So if you have not already subscribed to my channel, do well to subscribe to my channel to be getting updates, notification anytime I drop how to cook any kind of food. This channel will teach you how to cook any kind of African food. Now let's proceed to the business. First of all, parboil your potato for the minimum of 15 to 20 minutes. Depend the pressure of your fire you are using. Neither gas, neither electric, neither charcoal, neither firewood. Depend the pressure you are using. When your potato is ready, well done. When your potato is well done, first of all, when parboiling, put salt in your potato. And when your potato is well done, alright, you filter the water out. Before I forget, if you missed the practical video of this what I'm talking about, now this potato recipe, check my damn video, you will see it, or you will check the description. I will put the link there so you will watch the practical. This video is theory. You know, when we are making videos via practical, we don't put every details there. That's why I choose to, when I make a practical video, I make a theory where I will tell you everything in details. Alright? Now, when your potato is ready, you find that your potato is ready, done, that is eatable. What will you do? You filter the water out. After filtering the water out, your onions is ready, your fresh tomatoes is ready. Now, you put your red oil in low heat. Put your red oil in low heat. Don't bleach the red oil. When the red oil, put it after 30 seconds to less than a minute. You put in your onions. Don't allow your onions to get that color, to change color before putting your tomatoes. As you put in your onions, immediately add in your fresh tomatoes. Right? add it immediately too. As I said, the time duration and the way you make your food matter. Add it as make sure you stir it for like a minute. Don't allow the fresh tomatoes to release all the juice that it needs to release. Don't fry it as if you're frying stew tomatoes, alright? Now after you add your ginger and garlic. Stir to your own taste. Keep on stirring. Remember, before you start adding this thing, you have to fry your tomatoes for 1 minute. 1 minute. Now, why do you need to fry it for 1 minute? Because the process you are adding those other ingredients, the tomato will also be frying. Before you add all the ingredients, the least ingredients you want to add, the tomato will be done to the normal level it has to be. Now you add your ginger and your garlic. You stir for a moment. You add your seasoning cube. Very, very important. After you add your seasoning cube, stir for a moment too. Curry powder. Remember, we are not adding salt yet because we use salt to parboil the potato. Alright? If you add salt to the sauce when you're making it, the food will be over salty. And you might find out that you get it very, very wrong. Then you add your pepper. Stir for minimum of 30 seconds. Minimum of 30 seconds to a minute. What will you do? You add that parboiled potato and make sure you mix everything together. Stir gently. Mix everything together. You can use curry stick. If you use spoon, the potato might be pieces inside the pot. After a moment, you stir. You put your scent leaf that is well washed with salt. After you put your scent leaf, you turn it. If you have any fish or you want to put any meat, make sure that everything is already cooked well. Alright? This is the time you will put everything you want to put. After everything you want to put, then you put your scent leaf. Scent leaf will be the last thing you're going to put. Once you put your scent leaf, do well to bring the food down. After 30 seconds, you can cover, you can expose, depending the level you want your scent leaf to cook. But I'll advise you, don't allow your scent leaf to cook more than 30 seconds so that it will be healthy. So if you are not subscribed to this channel, if you are wanting to this level, you are not subscribed to this channel, do well to subscribe. All we are doing here is to teach you how to cook any kind of African food